Happy Friday night, everybody. It's Friday night, DIY beauty night. I've got a little person with me today. He never is not by my side, so he's my sidekick, so he's going to be with me tonight. But tonight we're going to do a hair mask using mayonnaise. There's lots of benefits using the mayonnaise. It helps, of course, moisturize. It'll help with split ends. If your hair is frizzy or curly, it helps make it a little shinier, a little smooth that cuticle. You could even put in some eggs if you want to, or honey. But this is going to be a great mask to do, especially for split ends. I am way overdue for a haircut. I know many of you are going to be overdue for a haircut, but my ends are just like so bad right now. So this mask will help with that. So what you'll need is mayonnaise, and you can add in honey, or you can add in eggs if you want to. If you've got some essential oils, you can put it in that. Hi, do you see yourself? Hi. Baby, look at you. You see yourself on the phone? Hi. 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 So, what we're going to do, I'm going to get in the shower after this. So, my hair is dirty. It's dry. I'm going to spritz it with a little bit of water. I'm going to get it damp. And then I'm going to use mayonnaise. Let me show you what I'm using. I happen to have the Kraft mayo made with olive oil. So, it's going to have a little more shine. If you've got olive oil or coconut oil, you could be excited with it. It's not going to hurt. I gotta put you down, buddy. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna spritz my hair, get it damp. I know. You can do this if you don't have a water bottle. You can do it when you get out of the shower. Just know you've got to get back in the shower and rinse this off. If you're watching, say hello so I know who's watching. I just kind of did this like random. I didn't even really announce that I was gonna do this, but I hope you guys know. Ann! Hello, Ann. We're doing a mask. All you need is some mayonnaise. We're going to do a hair mask. It's going to be great for split ends. Everyone's got split ends. I know it. So what you'll need to do is get some mayonnaise. I've never done this before. I'm so excited. I've got treatments in my shower that I could use, but this seems fun. What? What? Toothpaste? No, you can't have the toothpaste. I'm just getting my hair wet. The baby's in here with me. I don't know if I get comments. I think I turned my comments off by mistake. I need to figure that out. What does it do when I hit that? Choose your live mode. Okay, no. I don't know. Anyways, I'm getting my hair wet. Ow, ow, tangle. And then I'm gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes. You can use coconut oil. You can use avocado oil. I read so many fun little recipes on Pinterest. You can if you've got a ripe avocado, you can mash that. I don't know about avocado though. But so I'm gonna do a mayonnaise mask. I was inspired by, what's the movie with Julia Roberts? And she does the face, or got a lot of hair. It takes a long time to get all the water in. But Julia Roberts does a mayonnaise hair mask. So I'm like, oh, I've never done that before. Okay, so my hair is damp. It's not dripping wet. I don't want mayonnaise to drip all over my face and everything. I've got my bowl, my mayonnaise. This is what I'm using. The Kraft mayo with olive oil. That's just what I had in there. You can do straight mayonnaise. You can put olive oil. You can put honey in it. You could put an egg or two in there. I'm just going to scoop out. Ooh, I'm just going to scoop out. Say hello if you're watching. I'm going to scoop out a little bit of mayonnaise. That's about a tablespoon-ish. I got a lot of hair. I'm going to put some more in there. So I'm going to start off with that much. Do I use my hands? I guess I'm going to use my hands. Say hello if you're watching. Okay, I'm going for it. Duh. It's really cold. It's really cold. Oh, it's cold. So there's benefits to this mask. It'll help solve like you need a curly hair video and maybe even DIY curls. You know what I was thinking about too, Tiffany? Sets, like setting your hair and going to bed with your hair set. You know when you're like a little girl and you do like a braid, or you're good to bed with sponge rollers and you wake up and your hair was like curled for church or whatever. I want to see if there's like a little twist, a long twists, and I'd wake up and I'd have like perfect like little beachy waves. I'm going to research that. That's on my to-do list. I'll do that. Okay, so people, we're doing a DIY hair mask. I'm putting mayonnaise in my hair. It feels really thick. I smell like a sandwich. I smell delicious. Next, we're going to top it with a nice fresh slice of tomato. Ugh. But it's supposed to be great for like moisture and shine and split ends. Like I'm so overdue for a haircut, so this is going to help with split ends. I might need more. Oh my gosh, I'm going for another scoop because I want to really saturate this hair. My ends are so dry. They're just like soaking it up. So let me show you what I'm doing in the back. Ooh, it's so thick. It does not work easily into the hair like conditioner does. Oh God, I hope this shampoo's out. We'll see. We'll see what it does. I'm going to really focus on the ends of the hair. So you can do, I sprayed my hair with a water bottle. And I'm going to comb it through just like a treatment. So I know it's all brushed through. I'm using like this is a Kristen S brush, but it's sort of like a wet brush if you've ever used a wet brush. I like it because it gets through all the hair and works through everything. Ooh, look how shiny already. Your grandmother used to put mayo in her hair at least once a month. I've never done this before, Laura, so I'm like excited to see if my hair will look like that when look how shiny that is. If my hair will look like that, I'm gonna do this every day or once a week. My hair is like so dry. I'm so overdue for a haircut, so I'm hoping this will help mask that. It feels better now that I've brushed it through. Can you see me when I turn around? I smell like a sandwich. Okay, I've got a little bit left in my bowl. So I'm gonna get that. Nothing goes to waste. I think I got too much, but I really want the ends to be saturated. So I'm gonna let this sit in for 20 minutes on my head. I'm even massaging my scalp. I read online too that it'll help with dryness in your scalp. I've had some dryness, so we'll see what happens. So I'm just doing straight up mayonnaise. You can make your own little cocktail. You can put an egg in there. You can put honey. I'm just gonna start with the basics and see if I like it. The one that I'm using has it's olive oil and mayonnaise. I hope there's not hair in my mayonnaise jar. Tomorrow when I make a sandwich, it's okay because I eat hair for a living. There's no telling how many pounds of hair I eat. I'm just kidding. Okay, let me see what Amanda says. My stepmom would use a brown paper bag. She would cut strips, twist them, then put some kind of product. Yes. What's that called? Rag curls? I've read about that too. Rag curls? I don't know, that doesn't sound very glamorous. But, okay, I feel saturated. I feel very saturated. Let me just rinse my hands. But yeah, something like that. Something to wrap your hair around to create that texture. I'm gonna research into that. about what kind of twists. I think if you could do like two twists here maybe and a third back here, it'll give you some beachy waves depending on how long your hair is. Okay, so mayonnaise is in my hair. I smell like a sandwich. I'm gonna let that sit for 20 minutes. It just feels really like a sticky conditioner. It's in my hair. So we'll see. We'll see what it looks like. You can already, I mean, there's going to be some kind of moisture. I just hope it doesn't leave a residue in my hair. I don't want to feel like have a residue. It might do that. I might have to shampoo 2 or 3 times out to get it out, but we'll see how it does. Okay, girls, let me know how your hair masks do. And the baby's still awake. If he allows me, I might get on here again and let you know how my hair feels. But, oh, someone's giving me so much love. Who is it? I think it's Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. If you have any more requests of things you want me to do for DIY beauty night on Friday night, comment below, share with your friends. Let's make this like a fun little thing every night, every Friday night. Just a little time out for mommies and do a little something for yourself that's kind of fun and different. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll be back later in about 20-30 minutes and let you know how my hair turns out. Thanks, girls. Bye.